Good morning, students. Good morning, Divi, Yashita, Adi. Be ready with your copy. Again, today you will get the question and answers. And be careful about the spelling mistakes. I am showing you the correct answers with correct spelling. If some spelling is wrong from my side, that also I will check you, tell you. And on your videos so that I can check the students are writing or not. So when I will show you my side's video means the question answers, then you have to on the video. आपको on करके मुझे दिखाना है while writing whole question and answers. Today you have 3-4 answers, 3-4 questions. So it will not take too much time. After writing, learn in front of me, or while writing you just learn something and give me the answer. Good, Yashita? So now I'm showing you the screen. Only 8 students came. 7 students, including me, is 8. So students, first you write all the questions, then you will get the answer. ठीक है? Yes, Divi?
मैम जहाँ हमने स्टॉप किया था वहीं से स्टार्ट करें ना?
हाँ बेटा, जहां आपने लास्ट छोड़ा था वहीं से आपको फिर से कंटिन्यू करना है. ठीक है? These all are the revision questions. फिर भले वो 100 ही क्यों ना हो जाए. I will not give you 5-6 क्वेश्चन इन माई पीरियड. 3-4 क्वेश्चन ही मिलेगा, या कभी छोटे क्वेश्चन होंगे तो 5-6 मिलेगा. दैट यू हैव टू लर्न इन माई पीरियड ओनली, और जब मेरा नेक्स्ट पीरियड आएगा उसके पहले आपको लर्न करके रखना है. ओके, सो नाउ सी द क्वेश्चन. दिस इज योर क्वेश्चन. On your videos, everyone, Sanskar, this is the question. Divi, pass. Yes, good pass. Navya, Vineet, no excuses, otherwise I will remove you people. So today you have only this much question. Yashita.
मैम पुलमोनरी क्या होता है?
Sorry, repeat.
मैम व्हाट इज पुलमोनरी?
अच्छा, wait. Pulmonary is the scientific name, biological term of lungs. लंग्स को हम पल्मोनरी बोलते हैं। These students are absent. Navya, Bhavya, Jinisha, Dhairya, Piyush. You people are absent today? Okay, I am removing. अब एक एक करके मैं रिमूव करूंगी तब समझ में आएगा। If you don't want to show your face, don't show. But I want the writing part. राइटिंग पार्ट लिखते हुए आप लोग मुझे दिखना चाहिए। संस्कार और धैर्य। ऋषभ, नव्या, be ready with the pencil. Last question is of diagram. Divi, yes. Divi, yes. Parsh,
मैम कंप्लीटेड मैम इन 25th। मैम अगर हम चाहे तो सबके लेबल कर सकते हैं सबको।
नहीं, जब आपसे क्वेश्चन में बोलता है कि आपको सिर्फ लिमिटेड चीजें लेबल करनी है तब आप सिर्फ वही लेबलिंग करोगे जो क्वेश्चन बोल रहा है, ठीक है? एंड वेट फॉर 5 minutes ना, लेट अदर्स कंप्लीट। Navya is still connecting to the audio. Piyush? Yes, Divyansh?
मैम मैम हम लोग को इसका पीडीएफ बना के आपको भेजना है ना आपके ईमेल में
Yes, not mail.
आंसर का।
You just do a WhatsApp. मेल में नहीं भेजना, ठीक है?
अब मैंने पहले का भेज दिया था WhatsApp में।
हाँ हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है, ओके। भव्य?
मैम एक बार आपका नंबर चैट में सेंड कर दो ना, मेरे पास नहीं है।
ओके। What about हर्षित एंड ऋषभ? आप लोगों का वीडियो ऑन क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? हर्षित, ऋषभ? Parth, on your video. Don't off your video. I know many of you will not send to me. This time I will send these pictures to your parents. I am clicking the pictures also so that I will tell you, your parents, that you people are not writing and making me fool and your parents too. Great going, Divi, Yashita, Bhavya, Divyansh, Adi, Parsh also, Jia, Dhairya and Piyush, Face, Navya, Rishabh, Sanskar. Yes, Parsh, wait. Now, who have completed the question 23rd? Everyone? This is the question only. Yashita? Twenty-third, I hope completed by everyone. This is 24th. Now I'm moving to the 25th, the answers. Students, I have to close this slide, then only you will get the next slide. So may I close? Who is still writing? Just write in chat. Write fast. कौन कौन अभी और लिख रहा है? Because I have to close this show, this slide show. Okay, Jia is writing. Piyush is writing. Write fast. Jia, Piyush. Yashita completed. Very good. Okay. Now I'm moving to the answers. This is the answer. So first, this is first answer. A, you have 2 points for the reason. So A and the B. A is having this 3 points and B is having only 1 point. Vanshika, very late in class, joined right now. Very late. You don't know the timing? Timing is 10:40 and you have joined 15 minutes late. Parsh, only one art integration you will get. That is from science. If Sarita ma'am have given you, that is only from science. Okay? No other subject art integration from science. Yes, Piyush. Piyush.
मैम मैं 25 का कुछ वर्ड्स बज गए थे बहुत बहुत कम।
Repeat. Say loudly. तेज बोलिए.
मैम मेरा 25th क्वेश्चन के कुछ वर्ड्स बज गए थे।
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं आपको बाद में दिखा दूंगी, पहले आप आंसर्स देख लीजिए, कर लीजिए, मैं लास्ट में एक बार
Okay.
क्वेश्चन और दिखा दूंगी। जिया वेरी फास्ट। 23rd, I hope you all have completed 23rd. Anyone whose 23rd is not completed? Whose 23rd is not completed? कोई ऐसा है? Anyone? Parth, you are completed. I am asking to others. Okay, Piyush. Yes, Piyush, write fast. But he will not write Parth. अगर स्क्रीनशॉट ही देना था तो मैं आप लोगों को डायरेक्ट स्क्रीनशॉट लिखवाती. मैं आपको क्यों दिखा रही हूँ वीडियोस या पीडीएफ? So that you can write in front of me. So let Piyush write. We have 15 minutes. We have to wait for our friend. Okay. So Piyush 23rd completed. 24th is this. Okay. So Piyush, before writing 24, I will show you. This is 25th, 24th B part. So Piyush, I will show you in the last 24th का A वाला part. अभी आप B लिख लीजिए. And after B, draw this diagram. Okay, Ashita. This is 24th A. Yes, now continue with this. I will show you in the last 24th A and the paper also. Parsh, you do one thing. You just help Piyush for giving the question. He has not written the last question. 25th question. So please you give him the 25th question so that I can tell others the last answers. 24th A. This will be the last answer. Many of they had not written. Okay, Parsh, can you help Piyush? पीयूष को क्वेश्चन बता दोगे आप? पार्थ, नो रिप्लाई. Jia, so fast. You are writing or someone is helping you? In first slide you were very last. पीछे थे आप पहली वाली स्लाइड में जब मैंने आपको क्वेश्चन लिखाया था. And while writing answers, you are very fast. You are only writing the answer. Good, good, Piyush. Where is Jia? Jia, don't take help from anyone. Okay, Parsh. Piyush, this Parsh have given you the questions. Jia, on your video. Who is helping you in writing? Jia, who is helping you in writing? Jia, who is helping you in writing? So in first slide you are very slow. Now this time you are very fast. सबसे ज़्यादा कैसे? Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Now speak. Speak, Jia. Your voice is not coming. Not able to hear. Wait, Divyansh. This diagram you have to draw in your copy with pencil. No labeling, no drawing of diagram with pen. Wait, Divyansh. 24th A. Now students, I am showing the answer of 24th A. Those who have not written, they can write. You have 8 minutes. Write fast. And by the end of this period, you have to give in half an hour your PDFs to me. Half an hour के अंदर आपका PDF मेरे तक पहुंच जाना चाहिए. And please don't send in the evening. Madam, please, may I send in the evening? My one question is incomplete. Don't give excuses. And one more thing, students, only PDF is expected from you. I am expecting this only PDF. Nothing then other than that. No photos. Yes, Divyansh.
May I leave the class?
Your work completed?
Yes, ma'am.
You only asked me to write 24th A answer. You have written?
No, ma'am, I haven't asked that.
In the chat, you
I
have
have written.
In the chat, you have only given the message. Divyansh. If your work completed, Divyansh, you can leave. Okay, Parsh, wait. Parsh, wait for 2 minutes, then I'll show the diagram. Navya, can I see your face? Yes, Yashita. Navya, can I see your face? Okay, now I'm showing the diagram. Parsh want to show, or others also, those who want to see this diagram, they can draw. Kalash attended the class before 3 minutes. Kalash attended right now. Very good. I think you all are taking classes from your mobile. So, what about the electricity, Kalash? अगर आप लाइट का वेट कर रहे हो मतलब मोबाइल से लेते हो ना क्लास को? ओके, लैपटॉप भी अगर लेते हो तो लैपटॉप में बैटरी तो होती है कि आप क्लास अटेंड कर सको. यस कलश.
मैम एक्चुअली यहाँ पे नेटवर्क अच्छे से नहीं आता है तो मैम वाईफाई लगा हुआ है तो मैम लाइट ऑफ हो गई थी अभी इसीलिए.
तो बेटा आप जूम भी क्लास अटेंड कर सकते थे मोबाइल से. आपको पता है मैंने आज क्लास
मैम
में क्या
नेटवर्क
कराया?
नो मैम.
तो हर क्लास में आप नेटवर्क इशू बोलोगे तो आपका तो पूरा दिन नेटवर्क नहीं चला जाएगा. अभी आपकी एब्सेंटी
मैम बाकी क्लास
बेटा अभी एब्सेंटी लिस्ट निकलेगी और आपके घर पे कॉल जाएगा. वो कोई भी कर सकता है. अब आप देख लो क्या करना है. हर बार नहीं चलेगा ना. हर बार एब्सेंटी लिस्ट में कलश का नाम आता है तो हर बार सेम एक्सक्यूज कैसे चलेगा? लाइट या नेटवर्क वो आप जानो. आपका तो एब्सेंटी में नाम चला गया क्योंकि आप बिफोर 3 मिनट्स ज्वाइन किए हो क्लास के. अब आप देखो, अब आपके घर पे जब फोन जाएगा वो आप देखो आपको कैसे मेंटेन करना है.
यस मैम.
So students, completed everyone? Any doubt? Any doubt to anyone?